Drive the 2018 GLA. The Mercedes GLA-Class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.